In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth Luma fade transition between your video clips. Let's take these two video clips as an example. Place your second clip above the first one on the timeline, creating an overlap where you want the transition to happen. Go to your effects panel and search for gradient wipe. Apply this effect to the top clip. Move your playhead to the beginning of the overlap in your timeline. In the Effects Controls panel, find the Gradient Wipe settings. Click the stopwatch icon next to Transition Completion to create a keyframe, then set the value to 100%. Now move forward 1 to 2 seconds along your timeline and set the transition completion back to 0%. This creates a smooth fade effect between your clips.